Hey everyone! Opera Browser has become a popular choice for those of us who value speed, privacy, and built-in features like a free VPN, ad blocker, and a customizable interface. While we might have several browsers on our computers, setting Opera as our main or default browser helps us enjoy a smoother and more consistent browsing experience. When Opera is set as our default browser, every link we click from emails, social media apps, or documents will automatically open in Opera instead of another browser. Making this change streamlines our workflow and ensures we always use our preferred browser without any extra steps. This guide explains how we can set up Opera as our main browser. Since operating systems like Windows and Mac OS let us choose our default web browser, it's helpful to know where to find and update these settings. We'll go through the steps to change our system default browser to Opera, so it becomes the main app for web browsing. By following these steps, we avoid confusion, keep links from opening in the wrong browser, and have a more organized and efficient browsing setup. Let's look at the simplest way to make Opera our default browser. First, we go to Start. Click Start and then Open Settings. Once we're in Settings, we'll see the Apps section. Click this, and under Apps, we'll find Default Apps. Click Default Apps, then click New. Find Opera. Once we see Opera, click this one and set it as default. Now, all HTML, PDF, and other web links will open in Opera. Another way to set Opera as default is by opening our Opera browser and going to Settings. To find Settings, go to the upper right or upper left and select Settings. Click Default Browser, then click Make Default. Click this one and Opera will become our default browser. Once Opera is set as our main browser, we'll have a more seamless and personalized online experience. Every web link we open will launch in Opera automatically, saving us time and removing the need to switch between browsers. If we want to change our preferences later, we can always update our default browser settings. For now, with Opera as our primary browser, we can make the most of its features and enjoy a consistent browsing experience every time we go online.